Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. This is my 2021 5x10 Stirling utility trailer. What we're going to do today is install a spare tire rack on it. So what you're going to need is your spare tire. I got that through Princess Auto. I got my spare tire cover, my spare tire mount, as well as a drill. You're going to need a 3/8 drill bit, a 3/4 inch, and a 9x16 socket, an adjustable wrench, as well as some grease. I'm going to put the grease between the two metal parts when they join together. So in the kit you have your nuts and bolts, your outer bracket, your inner bracket, and your instruction manual. And I got this kit through West Brook Trailer Parts. It's online. It was $69.99 plus tax and shipping. The spare tire, I believe, was on sale for $100 plus tax, the regular $150 for the galvanized tires. And the spare tire cover, they were $34.99. All right, on the outer bracket, what we want to do is install our tire mounting bolts. So this is the top. You're going to put one in here, here, and here. And this is actually what's going to hold the rim on. It's just going to be like that with the nut on like that. So we're going to install again two here and one at the top. All right, this is what it looks like all done. So what we're going to do next is attach the inner and outer bracket. So this is the outer bracket. You can see the two holes right there. It's going to attach just like that. And you can see on the inside there's the two holes here. Your inner bracket is going to attach just like that. You're going to put your nut and bolt through. We're going to attach the two top ones first. So we're going to attach this to the outer bracket. One thing that I noticed once I put the bolt through, as you can see, there's not enough room to put the bolt through on, this would be the front side. So we're actually going to have to make this hole a little bit bigger here so I'm actually able to put the bolt from the inside out. So I'm probably going to have to trim off about 1/4 inch, make this a little 1/4 inch wider. So I had to take out about 1/4 inch in order to get this bolt through. So before I actually mount them together, rather than metal being up against metal, I'm going to put some white lithium grease on this area here as well as on the other side when the two panels squeeze together. And I'm going to grease up the area that I had to trim out a little bit too, just so it's not rusting because the galvanized coating is gone when you drill into it. That's just showing the back side. I just have the tire up against it to hold it till I get the nuts on the other side. All right, so we got the two top nuts and bolts in. Next, we have to drill out two 3/8 holes for the bottom of the mounting bracket. All right, so we got the two bolt holes drilled. So we're going to put our bolt through. And we're going to put the nut and washer on the inside and snug her down. And what I ended up doing is I put the nuts on the outside, that way it's nice and smooth on the inside. And that's just showing the inside. And there it is all installed. I like the fact that it's not rubbing up against the fender and it's nice and sturdy. And there we go, we got her all installed and we got the spare tire cover on. Just keeps the sun and weather off of it. And that's just looking at the mounting brackets from the inside of the trailer. And again, with some basic hand tools and a drill bit, this is easily installed by pretty much anybody. The skill level is pretty low on installing something like this. Again, my only issue with it was on the top where the bolt goes through. I had to hone it out a little bit as the bolts actually wouldn't go through. They weren't spaced properly. Other than that, I'm very pleased with it. It seems to be built really rugged. And again, it was a quick install. Anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, make sure you post them below. Again, thanks for watching. Take care.